Today myself Dasif, and let me introduce about myself. I have 7 years of experience in IT field. So currently I'm working in a uh, college security company, which provide the cloud security. Let me, let me on my video. So yeah. So as I told, I was working for in college for last 2 months, 2 years in a cloud security and compliances. So company is providing like you know that all the companies and all the data storage companies moving their local storage to cloud. So it's very important nowadays to provide the security to your cloud also. So so I have 2 years of experience in cloud security also, and I have from last 7 years I have gone through like 5 domains, which are the bank, credit, then telcos, and your commodity marketing, and now in cloud and security compliance. So I also completed my BTech from the Walchand College in Sangli, which is autonomous college, and post that in college from college campus I joined the Yardley, which is a Bangalore based company. So this is for my introduction. I think you got yeah. So let's start to our today's session subject, which is a digital and social media marketing. So uh, in this session we are going to see about like I'm not going to talk more about in a theoretical concept. We will go and we will do a hands-on on where different social media marketing where we are doing the our campaigns, creating campaigns, running campaigns, and seeing the results of those campaigns. Generally, uh, and how that digital and social media marketing terms get involved. Yeah, and in between, if you guys if face any any issue or you want to clear some concept, let me know that I will try to explain those concepts. You can interrupt me at any time during this session. So move to our next slide, which is agenda. So as I told in this session, we are going to cover like how this term go get evolve, like in introduction, types of digital marketing, benefits of digital marketing, then SEO, what is mean by SEO, and how to do SEO things. Then we were going to see about SEM, email marketing, affiliate marketing, then blogging. We will do hands-on on blogging by creating a simple blog, by publishing that blog. Then we will move to the LinkedIn ads. There we will try to create the campaigns, and we will see how we will draft the campaign, how the accurately we will target our customers, and you guys know that these social media platform are for specific specific people, like specific functionality they provide and the specific domains they provide. The people look at this social media platform in the different way when we go to LinkedIn, when we go to Instagram and Facebook. So Facebook campaigns also we will see, Instagram business also we will see. So this we are going to cover in this 2 hour session, and in this we will do the hands-on. We will try to make this session interactive and more engaging. Like if you guys have any uh, in between, I will ask like some questions. You guys have to actively participate in that. So we will feel that we are making this session interactive. Yeah. So should we move to next slide? Okay. So I'm jumping to the next slide, which is a traditional marketing. Yeah, before we're jumping to digital marketing, we have to know about like what was the previous marketing style and how we was doing that, and how the traditional marketing evolve and jump into next next step, and from next step to digital marketing. So we will go through step by step how this involve and what was the need behind that. As we know that behind every product there was one problem, and to solve that problem, people come up with the idea and they start building solution for that, and in the end they result into the product. So previously, people was there are many examples such like cooler system, fridge system, then our social media. There, those things come by the problem when they face the problem, and for to convert that problem into simple way, they come up with a solution. So the traditional in there likewise in traditional marketing there was a some flaws, and the reason that was not that much result oriented. So to make that a result oriented, we come up with a digital marketing. Like I have mentioned some traditional marketing ways which we was following, like paper ads, video and sound ads, hoardings, and many more. So let me know. Like I have mentioned only uh, for three traditional marketing techniques. So let me know some more two three traditional marketing. So guys, I'm waiting for your response. So I'm opening my notepad. I think I have shared only team. Let me share my whole screen. So I'm expecting some input from you guys. In paper ads, what was the types? Like I will start with we was having a pamphlet, uh, then we was having a poster. Other than yes, any response? Newspaper. Any other? This will not acceptable. Okay, you have to be a actively participate in this session. This is not a one-way communication. Other than newspaper, uh,
Pamphlet.
yes. Else, I don't know exact spell, but yeah. Uh, Other than this, so you might be knowing like in your college days you are organizing some technical events, and for that technical events you people try to design the posters. When I was in my engineering days, like 7 6 7 years back, I was having one technical event. In that technical event, we was not aware about that we are doing a social or digital marketing, but that time we was creating our for our we was having one event called as a uh, cybermind. Okay, and in cybermind we was as a from a IT compound, IT background and CS background, I was doing the poster designing. For that, I was like we people, 4 5 people was sitting and designing the doing the brainstorming and designing the some poster which will be attractive, and when we put in any engineering colleges and diploma colleges, they we will attract the uh, entries from that college. So that comes under the paper ads and poster designing. So that was also a traditional marketing way. But you guys also, if like which is a technical event PICT is arranging every year? Name of technical event? Can I know? Can I know the technical event which PICT is organizing? Like for gathering you guys names like Usav and Tarang, that type. Like what was the name? What is the name of technical event which PICT organized? Sir, I think you have mute the all participant because they are not telling names and all.
No, sir, no, no. Students,
Okay.
please reply. They can unmute themselves, sir.
Yeah, okay, no, then no problem. So, guys, when you are going to like choose your career in digital marketing in future, it's not like most of people who comes from the engineering background, they are hesitant to take the social engineering or traditional or digital marketing. So, but I have seen that when there are many people who interestingly take switch from the technical to their digital marketing. Yeah, I have some friends which was doing the coding in Java and also some Linux system designer was there. Linux system administrator was there, but they feel like after some time they feel boring in coding also, and they contact with their company and they switch their professional from the coding from developer to a document writer. Document writing is nothing but your social media and because we are creating the content. It's kind of blogging. I will explain blogging in next session. So, so guys, what I meant to say that you have to be a active because you don't know that in which field you will be put in if you selected as a fresher and on the performance, or there can be a chances like when you are in a startup, all everything you have to do, like you have to design your system, you have to code your system, then you have to deploy your system, and in the end main things when you are going to give the demo to your client, you have to create these types of blog and the content which and mails also, which is a part of the digital marketing. So that all things which we do in IT company also, which comes under the digital and social media marketing. So you take this session or take this field is serious, so you will grow in your career uh, when you are master in this type, in this technology or in these things. So next we will move to our uh, video and sound ads. So you might know that like there are very different FMs and the TV channels where they are promoting some company's product on the paid version. So like, but like there are radio jockeys like where you are paying for the 2 days or 5 days and they were putting your ads, video, audio ads, and the televisions which are doing the video ads. So these are the like hoarding also. Hoarding also comes under traditional marketing where we are putting your big poster on any highway or any like a circle where the lot of people visit daily. So these are the traditional marketing, but these are the traditional marketing which don't give. There are many pitfalls in this traditional marketing. Many drawbacks are there. Like you don't take a hoarding. Take one example of hoarding. Like you have put a hoarding in your any highway or in your circle. You can call it so also in that, but you don't know that how many people are visiting that, and you don't have the counter to count that how many people visited or looked at your hoarding and how many are interested. If they have any questions or any queries, they can't ask at directly to voting. Like you have to give a number, they will hesitate to call, and there are many drawbacks and the pitfalls in traditional marketing. So next things like over the traditional marketing, next terms comes like a guerrilla marketing. So guerrilla marketing, how many of you knows that guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing is nothing but you are doing a uh, high your high brand awareness or high publicity of your product or high selling of your product, then high awareness of your product with a minimal cost or where you will arrange the PR events which attracts your customer, which attracts audience, and your brand goes viral and people start buying that. That comes under a guerrilla marketing. So, do you know any guerrilla marketing techniques which any company has uh, implemented? I will show one image so you guys will know that what is the guerrilla marketing. So here in guerrilla, yeah, here in this image, you guys can see that KitKat has painted the benches with their logos and their stickers, so people can easily attract toward this. This is a one kind of guerrilla marketing. So likewise, if you guys know any guerrilla marketing techniques, you can share with me and your colleagues.
Sir, there is a company in US called Ben and Jerry's Ice Cream Company. So
Yes,
they had a man. They name their ice creams depending on the current social demands. Like just now, there was a right for blacks movement. So they had
yes.
named their ice creams like that.
Oh, great, great, great. Yeah, these are the techniques. Like you guys also, when we come to, I think you guys are in third year. So when you come to your fourth year, you have to choose you have to plan your career in which field you are going to do your career. That time also, these types of techniques, like in interview, you are explaining your project. That time, these types of technique, this type of skill help you a lot because how you are presenting your project and what was the need you are trying to articulate this in this poster things and in where you are creating your presentation, the way you are creating presentation also impact on the interviewer. So guys, yeah, what was your name? We are not doing any if I was in a classroom presentation I would have given you a chocolate. Yeah, great. Anyone knows? Okay, I will tell one more guerrilla marketing techniques which was successfully implemented. Yeah, so there was like a Pepsi, you know Pepsi. Pepsi is a cold drink, and now you have to give answer. Who is the competitor of Pepsi in cold drink?
Coke.
Yes, yes, yeah, Coca-Cola. So, do you know about how the Coca-Cola emerged and what was their success story? How many you might have read that the Coca-Cola was the is the second is I think first word which knows in all over world. Mostly consider there are 100 people in the world. So Coca-Cola is the word which knows most of the people. So to beat that competitor, Pepsi brought one PR event, okay, which comes under guerrilla marketing. So Pepsi was struggling to get the entry in our Australia market. So they was not having their sales and all. So their marketing team comes with one idea, which was they put a big Pepsi bottle in one mall, and what they was telling, you have to take the selfie with this big bottle, and you have to put on your social media with some hashtag like Pepsi and all. So and then if you do that, you will get one bottle of Pepsi. So suddenly all people started, they was having their own picture in that selfie. So nowadays all people are crazy about the selfies. So they was started taking the selfies with that big bottle Pepsi and putting onto Facebook. And they start putting these types of images on social media, and within a few days that went viral. And Pepsi was keeping their big bottle in different malls, and the people was visiting there and taking the selfies and putting on social media. That was the when that was the successful PR event which was organized by Pepsi, and they tried to at least not beat but at least compete with the Coca-Cola. That was the one PR event which was comes under guerrilla marketing. So guys, in your future also or in your college event also, you have to do these types of PR event to attract the entries to your events also. And when you join the company in future to attract your client, you have to do some these types of techniques. So this comes under guerrilla marketing. So in guerrilla marketing also there are some drawbacks. Like if you are creative, then only you will able to make your PR successful. And if you are not that much creative and you need any help, then guerrilla marketing will not work. Also, it's not give guarantee that if you are doing some PR event and it will go viral. So this also one risk. So to overcome these types of problems, we come with a digital and social media marketing. Now you guys have clear about the why we jump to the digital marketing and social marketing. Let me explain about the first we will know about the definition in layman words. Like digital marketing can be described as actively promoting products and services using digital distribution channel, an alternative to the more traditional mediums such as television, print, and radio. So if you Google and if we see the Wikipedia for the digital marketing definition, you guys will get this content. So it's not like digital marketing itself and social media marketing itself. Name itself suggests that you are doing your product marketing with the help of digital or electronics devices, or you are doing your marketing with the internet. So this comes under digital marketing. Digital marketing is like, as I mentioned, note like putting content on your social media marketing is not a digital marketing. Okay. So lots of guys start like when they visit any Instagram or some like recently there was one news on InShot. InShot is a, I think you might know, is a short news app which gives I think 45 words or something. In that they send a news. So in that there was a news like for like how much like which celebrity is taking how much money to post any post on their Instagram wall or Instagram status. So in that our join like Rock was the first join I think, and then second some Americans was there, and the fourth or fifth there was an Indian. And this comes under like these people are influencer, which comes under the like I will explain you influencer marketing. In that I will explain. But looking at their people, the people start thinking like, yeah, these people are earning this much money simply putting the content on their Facebook wall or the Facebook status or Instagram status, and we people start doing the some posting on our Instagram or on our Facebook. So that is not a digital marketing. Those people are having their own teams and all. We don't know behind the scene, but they have separate people and manager to handle those things. Now, for a simple person who is starting digital marketing, he need to go through each and every concept and strategy, and in the end, he will result into a successful digital marketer. Yeah. So this is about the digital marketing intro. We will go we will dig into more like what are the types and strategy of the digital marketing, and uh, we will learn each and every in our simple word. So if you guys have any question in that, you can ask me or you can interrupt me. So should I move to next? Yeah. So digital marketing ways, like there are many, and I am considering eight which are major digital marketing ways. One is our search engine optimization. Second is search engine marketing, social media marketing. Sorry, social media optimization, email marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing. So all these marketings, these are the digital marketing techniques which we follow to do our digital marketing. So these all I will cover all this in a detail in next slide also. But I would like to explain this content marketing and affiliate marketing in first. Then we will move to our more technical, uh, more technical types like SEO, SEM, and SM, SMM, and SMO. Okay. So like content marketing like this is a, like where we are writing our blogs, where we are writing any, like if you are a good have communication skill and you are have read and written many literature, so you might be a good in your literature also. So there are many organization and many papers, newspapers also. They are finding for the good writer, good content writer. So like many issues are there, many things we need to cover, and you have to like consider our like online courses. Like you have might know that Java 2 point, then Udemy also, then your tutorial points also. The people, the way they are writing the content is matter. If you are writing content and you are no one is able to understand that, then there is no way. Okay, so you have to be a good content writer for any company which you start. As I told in previous company, as previous site, a lot of my people, my friends who moves like 2 3 years after 2 years to a documentation or marketing team of our company. In that, they have good knowledge about the technical knowledge also, and they have good writing skills also. So that comes under content marketing. Content marketing, like there are many paid writer, paid blogs also, where we are putting our content, where we are accepting some clients and they are telling like, this is my scenario, you have to write this in a well manner, so people will attract and hit the that hit the block. So there are this comes under a content marketing. Like yeah, if like there are many fields which comes under, like I start like which comes under content marketing. Like it is a like a you have to write for a money, okay, with a good writing skill. So that comes under content marketing. Affiliate marketing, like it's kind of a consultant, okay, where you have like take a one, for example, we will go with one example, like there is one builder who has more than 330 flats in his building. He is under construction. He is waiting for his client, and he is doing some local marketing and his connection marketing, but he is not getting the customer for his sell. Like so you have one website which where you are putting property related information, where are the properties present and what is the cost of that property. So and you have a good amount of sorry. So you have a good amount of traffic on your website. You have good amount of visitor followers to your website. So that is the plus point when you go to that builder and try to explain that yeah, daily more than 100 people, 1,000 people visiting my site, and many transactions is happening. This like suppose 200 transactions are happening per day on your website, like more than 1K visitors are visiting your website. And with the help of this, I have published, I have sold this many properties, like 20 properties per week, 30 properties per week. You have these points, and with this point you are explaining to that builder. So builder, what will builder think? Like, yeah, I am not getting, so I will pay some money to this person who is work as a consultant or third party for me. I have to no worry about like a sale. He will manage this sale, and uh, so you will do the deal like if I sell one flat, you have to give me a 30K. So he will agree that because like he is not getting clients, and if you are with this minimal amount, you are doing this job. The sales person job is a very hectic and very earning business in this world. If you search on Google what is the most uh, salary salary of occupation is a sales. So if you are good in sales, then you are earning a lot of money as compared to our ideal. So those people comes like he will do the deal, and he will start searching the client for that builder. That comes up under affiliate marketing. So where you are in future, you might be working in a consultancy where you have to hire the uh, people for your company. Even if you are in a team, you have to, like in myself also, I need to sometimes hire some people for my team. So you will go to some consultant, then you will explain your requirement, and that consultant, if you are working as a consultant, you have to be good in communication and deal. You have to find out each and every details what the your client want, like what is your, like in case of flat, you have to know exact dimension of your flat, and what is the like how many terrace and how many flats are there. All this information you know about your client, then only you will able to put your content in good manner, and you will try to attract customer. That is how you will do the affiliate marketing. uh, Sorry, I think I was wrong. Hello sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I was due to a connection net connection, I got dropped. Yeah, so let me share my screen again. Uh, is it visible now? Hello, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Oh, okay, yeah. So influencer comes like you have to like influence in like this is also one skill where, as I told, where we have to write content, or you have to take some motivation field, or sport field, any technical field where you are putting your knowledge which people don't know about it, so they will get influenced like and motivate, so they start approaching with you. So you have in future you will be having a one base of audience which follows you and which are influenced by you, and with that people you can sell something that comes under influencer marketing. So now our main focus will be on search engine optimization and search engine marketing. So now we will good now. Yeah, benefits. Let me explain benefits of digital marketing. Like entry resistance is low, measurable, and real time. Yeah, that all this will I will show you when we are seeing the demo of our digital marketing. It's 24 by 7 marketing approach, high returns on investment, and global customer reach. Precise, sorry, precise targeting. Anyone want to speak? Okay. Yeah, so as I told, we was looking into a digital social media marketing. So this graph itself shows that how many like subscriber or how many audience are present in the every social media platform. Like this is a Jan 2021, the world's most used social platforms. The latest global active users figures in millions. Okay, so for a section of the world's top social media platform. So first, obviously, it comes Facebook, then YouTube, then WhatsApp, and then FB Messenger, Instagram, and WeChat. TikTok also is there in this, and I think others are not used in mostly in India. Telegram, Snapchat also is there, Reddit also is there, Twitter, Quora. These are the social media platforms where how many customers, how many users are like available. What it suggests, yeah. So from this chart, we get to know that these many people are gathered on one platform, and that platform we can use for selling whatever we want on that platform with the people who are interested for that product. So in traditional or guerrilla marketing, what was the point where we was go to the people market and you have to uh, sell yourself. That was the not 24 by hours. There was not exact figure how many people are visiting your website, how many people are visiting or liking your poster which we posted on the hoarding. That there was the drawbacks which we will cover in our social media marketing, where the people lot of people will be there. You have a huge audience. Second thing is like all will be on different regions. So market restriction which we was facing in a traditional market was not there, and also you can dig more and more in social media marketing. I will show when we come to our demo. Yes, this is a small image, but which explain lot about social media use around the world. Like first chart shows that first image shows that total number of active social media users, like 4.20 billion. Then social media users as a percentage of the global population. It is like half of the people are on social media. Even we consider the population from the Africa and the rural areas of India also. Still, the most of people nowadays are on social media. So you have to look at this in a asset view. You have to like uh, you guys are in IT. Okay, so you know that the difference between data and information. So, what is the difference between data and information? Can some of you tell me? She has a good career in SEO also. Okay, I am not promoting for SEO, but yeah, people should know if you are trying to if you know like how to put things in simple words for your client also and your junior engineer, senior engineer also it will be easy. So look at these figures. Okay, so there are 53.6% people are online, and the annual change in the number of global social media marketing is 13.2%, and in millions there are about 5 500 millions. Okay, and the the total number of social media users accessing via mobile phones is 4.8 15 means 98.8% are using mobiles nowadays. And look, so if from this data, what you are going to, like, you have huge data, you have to think, and you have to apply some, sorry, some logic and some algorithms over this data, and you have to find out, extract the information from this data. And if you are good at this, then you will be definitely in a huge company like Google's. So you have to be like, you have to train your mind to, when you are in computer field, you have to be a, you have to be a part of that force. Okay, which force? Which drive the world. So you have to be proudful about what you are contributing in IT companies, and what comes from. So how you will do that? You have to do a rigorous research on your day-to-day life, what problems you are facing, how you can solve those. Look at this data also. Are you able to find out any solution for these people, any information from this data? So that comes under social media marketing. When you are able to find out the data from this information, you will able to do the marketing with social media. Okay, because you have to, in future, you have to, in social media, you have to design the campaigns for your social media, and you know that, like, what kind of people are there, what is their behavior, and what is their interest. According to that, you will able to try to create your campaign, and when you launch your campaign, it will hit the exact customer, okay, exact person, and you will return 100% in that. Yeah, so let's move our search engine optimization. Yeah, search engine optimization, like, this is a mainly uh, not a paid techniques. Okay, in search engine optimization, like, there are many search engines. Let me know some of them. I'm waiting for the answer. Do you know any search engines which we use for daily use? Guys, answer. Search engine where you are doing your search.
Google.
Yeah, great. One more. Can we consider Yahoo? Guys, so they are in third year. They to be should be a very vocal, because in next year they are facing the interviews.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yahoo and Microsoft Bing.
Yes, yes, great, great. Yeah. So these are the search engines. Okay, sorry. When you are writing some content on your website or in your blog, then in future, in next, I will try to show you that also. On page issue, that this comes under, like, how you are writing the content on your blog and how you are writing content on your website. So it will, let me uh, okay, Java tutorials. Okay, so if I hit this Java tutorials, this comes under like Oracle docs, the tutorial points. Why these websites are coming in first, second position? Because they have did a search engine optimization. Like, search engine, what is search engine optimization? As you guys told that there are many search engine optimization. Consider a Google. I'm using Google. What Google is doing? Google have their analytics teams, and analytics teams is designing some engines. Engines is nothing but a one program or any application which, or ML program, machine learning program, which do the massaging of the data and trying to extract the information from that data. So here is when we are hitting any request, when you are hitting any request like a Java tutorials, and he is initial, okay, consider initial. So initial he will show some website, and from website if you hit that website, he will put that in one map. There will be one map, okay. Eh, do you know that Java hash map or any map? Map terminology. What is meant by map? Anyone knows? Yeah, you might know, but I think you are not answering. You should be vocal. Okay. So map is like a key value here, where which he, for this Java tutorials he hit, and he, when we show the result for Java tutorials, he open the this website. So it will create one map, and it will start putting like a Java tutorials. Are you guys able to see my notepad, or are you only able to see my uh, PowerPoint presentation? Are you able to see my notepad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So if we hit the tutorial, a Java tutorial, when there is, it will list out the 10 websites. From 10 websites, we have selected Java tutorial points. So what search engine will do? He will put one map, and who will create one map which will be having a Java tutorials. When the people hit the Java tutorials, he will list out the Java tutorial points first, because that was the first. When other people comes and he will hit the Java tutorials and he open the tutorial points. He will do tutorial points first number. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So he will put in that map for the Java tutorial. There is a list of the website. Okay, your map will be one screen which holds that. I am talking in a technical words, okay, because you guys are technical engineers, so you have to know about this how it works actually. Most of you know, might you know also. Okay, we will store one string which okay, we will store site object, and which will be having our list of site for that tutorial Java tutorial keyword. When first Dasab came, then he answered Java tutorial, and okay. So when I hit it, I will it will list out all the Java sites. When I open this Java tutorials, he will add Java tutorials at the first position. Whatever counter was there, it will increment with 2. So likewise, when the people are hitting most, which site they are preferring and which site people are hitting most, according to that, he is maintaining the orders of that site, and it will populate on your search engine. This is a simple, very simple and abstract views of how the search engine works. Like that, you have to understand how to search engine works and how to attract this. There are many algorithms like that. What makes people to hit the Java tutorials? It's in your hand. Okay, what is in your hand? The content which you are writing on your website. That is the one part which in your hand, like which is on page SEO. Now come to a technical SEO. Technical search engine where the actual programming comes, like where you have to like this is a uh, this is the technical search engine optimization process where you have to use SSL. Uh, can anyone knows what is the meaning of the long form of SSL? What is the full form of SSL? Guys, speak up, speak up. Okay, secure socket layer. Okay, when you guys may have seen that, like when you hit any website, it will show HTTPS, and when you are doing some local host programming, it will not show. As like if I hit, let's take LinkedIn. Okay, okay. So is it visible? Okay. So if you see here, this LinkedIn URL has a HTTPS. What is HTTPS? Means secure. So Google search engine will prioritize those websites which are secured and which are legal, which tells that you have a SSL installed on your website. When you are taking the domains, that time also it will ask the for SSL. So this is the one part which comes, and when you are doing local programming where you hit the local host colon uh, and you are running Angular, that time it will show HTTP colon slash. So here you will observe that HTTP only. It is not a secured layer. This comes under ensure your site is mobile friendly. Yeah. So then this is the main part also where Bootstrap also works. When you are, as we've seen in previous chart, in 98.5% people visit the any so your content or your blog, when they click on social media blog, and when you navigate in your browser, it should be rendered properly there. So according to that, there is a like one standard is there, which is set by the search engine, and if it fits, it will give the highest ranking. So there are many aspects on the basis of the that it finds out the which is a more visiting website and all. Okay, so this was the when where I was showing the maps, or which was the only single part where I explain how it works. There are many aspects, there are many engines, there are many algorithms. On the basis of it, create the result, and it will show you. So speed your site up. Okay, so speed site means like when you are creating any site, and to make it a fancy, you are putting very many videos, and those are taking the time to render. And in also your website, you are using the many callback function, and it's keep rotating. So this comes under speed your site, because if your site is taking too much time, and next time people will not visit your site. That follow. So fix duplicate content issue. Yeah. So while writing resume, also we'll try to keep the unique sentences. When you there are many website also where we are uploading your website resume, and it is telling that how much perfect it is, how much the duplication is there. So duplication means like instead of duplicating content, you can write the unique content, or you can write the in a simple words which people prefer to search when they visit when typing in search engine. That comes create XML sitemap. Also this is also more technical. What consider enable AMP, add structured data markup to your website. This is comes HTML. Okay, register your site with the Google search engine search console and with Bing webmaster tools. These are the like where sometimes you have seen that, sorry, when you are visiting any, like when you are googling hotel nearby me, and it shows that these hotels is closed between open between this and this. So this comes under Google search engine search console, and this is for the Bing also. Bing webmaster is there. So these are the console where we register our business, and all these terms are technical terms. Okay, and with the help of this, we will optimize our website. to come on first, second, third to increase our ranking in our search engine. Now come to the search engine marketing. So as I told, these are all things which I explain in search engine optimization are done by ourselves, our coder owner who is not paying anything, who is just thinking, who is doing the technical step and trying to increase his website ranking. So now second term is like search engine marketing. This is as I told, there are drawbacks of search engine SEO, which is a time consuming. Sorry, because when you are doing some SSL or when you are writing content, it's not like you are booming your site and boosting your site in next 2 3 days or 2 3 months. So it will continuous process. Sometimes it will take 6 months, 1 year to come on rank, increase in its rank, increase visitors, and might be you are poor in writing content. So to increase this, like there is one paid platform. Okay, all those SEO is a ourselves where we are not paying anything. We are doing tricks and tweaks to increase our site visibility, site ranking. Now second part is like a search engine marketing where you are paying something and in that return you are increasing your visit site. Like hyper targeting is possible. Like SEO gives instant results. Yeah, so I will. We will take one example. Yeah, I will show you what is the paid marketing and how that works. Like we take admission 2020. So here, if you guys see, this result is getting populated. Have you observed anything like here and here? There is a one ad. Okay, so this tells that you are paying something to Google. Google Ads on is there. Google Ads on is a separate concept where it is a huge tool. You have to learn it. At least take 2 3 days also from scratch if you are learning Google Ads on. So these are the paid advertise. Like you are paying something to Google, and Google in the return it will start showing your sites and your product on the first, second, third position. Because see, there are 5 advertise, but they have at a uh, different rank. Like this university, NIT university is at first, this second, and this is fourth, this is third and fourth. There is also one algorithm. Like if you are paying, that doesn't mean that you will be at first position. There is also one bidding algorithm. That bidding will take place, and in the return, you will able to understand. You will get the ranking, and according to that rank, you will get getting your content here. So this is if you see that no need to do the hard work and uh, thinking and writing content in like a creative manners. No need. You whatever you write, if you want to promote that, you pay Google, and in that return, Google will start showing your site or your any blog at the first, second position according to your bid. So this comes under a SEO. Wherever optimization word comes, that means you yourself is doing some activity and trying to increase your views. That is a organic matter. Okay, that part comes under organic digital marketing and social marketing. This is a paid marketing where you are paying and in the return you are getting the your site ranking. Okay, increase site. Now comes like email marketing. Email marketing comes under digital marketing. So many people's nowadays try to send that official mail. So you people have like some people tells email marketing is not that much effective. People ignore emails and they not interact and they not hit our website, they not actually contact the customers. But it's for the person who is not doing, as you guys told, they are not doing that, they are not forming the information from the data. They are visiting any consultancy and taking the list of the emails and directly sending that people, instead of knowing what kind of people in which field he is working, is it he interested or not. So, and there's, when they are sending 100 mails in return, they are not getting only one mail. They feel that yeah, email marketing is not worth, and they will skip. But if you do some research, if you do like targeting some audience and taking the email ID of those people and sending the well written content, in that case, email marketing works. Like it's tells that, as you guys seen in like Facebook, there are 4.2 billion subscriber or users, you mean. But in email marketing, you can like it is also same. It's not subscriber, but the 4.3 billions mails we can use for sending to and forth. Okay, so ROI, like what is mean ROI? Return on investment. Okay, this is a $42. That means a huge amount. Okay, suppose like there are softwares like email Kimp and a web, but okay, there are like and also Google Tools Suite is there. With the help of that, you can send your mails to your email IDs and get the feedback and get the result from those people. So for those services, if you are spending like $100, but you are able to sell your product of worth $4,000, so it's worth to take that services, because whatever you are invest we are doing investment, you are returning too much on that investment. And if you compare the general ratio, which will be $42. Yeah, that's it for the email marketing. This is a theoretical parts like new rules of the marketing and the PR. I will do only reading. This is pretty simple. Like no need to explain. Like yeah, first is this is a like well-known rules of the marketing and PR. PR comes under, is also under digital marketing and social marketing, and also under guerrilla marketing. First thing is your what you publish. Okay, so if it means like if you want to succeed on social media marketing, you need to content strategy, organize yourself like a publisher, which includes hiring writers and editors, which we have seen earlier. Okay, people want authenticity, not a speed. There it's like a kind of like speak the same way your buyer persona speaks. Okay, avoid the marketing hype and overuse of buzzwords like corporate speak that people can't relate to. Yeah, like this thing comes like when our technical guys goes on a marketing field. He will try to explain in HTTP, SSL, and many technical words like server and all those things which comes while speaking with the customer. And he is not related to all those terms because he is a not technical person. And in that also there might be a possibility your PR or your advertising get fails. Content marketing is about timing, not interruption. Yeah, it comes like when you are doing our advertise, like you guys have seen that Dream 11, when it is any cricket season or any tournament season like IPL, Dream 11 starts spending money on their advertise. In IPL also, you guys getting that pop up of Dream 11. Also, they put on social media, or in YouTube also they starts showing the ads and paying money to the social media. So this comes under content is not about timing and not interruption. Marketing stuffs shift their attention from the masses to niche. Yeah, this will be should be a pinpoint. Like you have to be able to understand what is the exact customer base. Like if you are doing writing an traveler blog, you have to find out the people who are interested in traveling. Okay, marketers must shift. Yeah, that PR is a direct to public. Yes, PR is not about your boss seeing your company on TV. It's about your persona seeing your company online. Social media PR allows you to directly communicate with your buyers. Okay. Seventh is like I'm reading all these are self-explanatory and very theoretical. Marketing is about winning business, not awards. Successful, yeah, it comes like successful social media marketing because that your social media goals align with your business goals. Yeah, you can see like this, like there are many website Glassdoors which put the review or any companies. There you have seen that there is a like customer review and your CEO reviews. CEO review. So if your CEO is giving some review and your customers, your sorry, your users or your employees giving some review, if there is huge difference between that, then you are winning only awards, not a business. So because in that people also should satisfy. The internet shifted the focus from media to PR. Yes, after years of nearly exclusive focus on media, media means this comes your radios and your television, okay, TV. Companies must drive people into purchasing process. Yeah. Then turn 10th one is organization must communicate with directly with the buyers in the form they appreciate. Okay. Yeah. Social networks allows business to connect with the customers across the globe. Yes, as we discussed. The line is blurred between marketing and the PR online. Yeah. Now, guys, and all we was doing was only technical. Like it was only theoretical process, and the theory which I was explaining, what was the how we do, how we achieve, like what is the digital marketing, how we achieve, what are the platform which we use to show we do our social marketing. Now it comes to our actual hands-on experience. Okay. So, sir, if it is possible, might be they all boys and girls might board. So, can we take a 10-minute gap and then we will join?
Yes, sir. Sure, sure.
Yeah, we can simply go on mute for 10 minutes and
Yes, yes.
10:30 we will come back and we will start some hands-on.
Yes.
Okay. Hi all, welcome
Yes,
back.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can. So let me. I think on a second, where is the have you disabled chat window? Okay, leave it. So, what I was trying to tell, yes, in last session, I think I have bored you guys. Like it was so all was theoretical and only talking and telling example. Now we will see. I will try to make like list more, less more while giving this demo. So we will first all also said about the digital marketing and social media marketing. Now it's come to how we will create our post and how come we create our sites and deploy. Okay, so we'll start with the blogging. There are blogging is like a special people have an interest in blogging. They are keeping their professional profession as a blogging also. I would like to uh, LinkedIn. Like when you are blogger, that means you have something to blog on, something to show people or something to share with people. So that means like mm, yeah, the Gaurav days. Sorry guys, like yesterday itself I got promotion, and that's why many people, you might say that some thanks. Yesterday I got a promotion, which was senior full stack engineer. So in college, uh, yeah, I would like to tell that these are the persons, like he is working in Microsoft also and the college jockey and everything, but still with the pride he is keeping blogger at WordPress. Okay, so this is the like there are many people who do the blogging. They put in their content and try to like educate our people, engineering people, or any other field. So we will start doing the blogging. Like we will create a sample blog, whatever like subject if you decide, or we will take traveling. Okay, on that we will try to create the blog, and we will give information about some places, and we will try to see how many hits are coming, how to like stats of that blog. So before that, I would like to tell why the blogging, like in native advertising, like you are doing like you are a blogger or the sites.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I clear?
Yeah. Now you are clear, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I'm working from home and due to net issue might be you are facing issue. I'm using mobile net sometimes.
Not an issue, sir.
Yeah. So an online course. These comes like under blogging. Like some people started like if you visited that, you guys start looking the websites like Gig for Gigs and your interview bits. These was the people when they start initially with a blog. They was the written blog. Do you guys know any technical site where people are putting their content, kind of blog? Any website where you was searching your technical content. Come on, guys.
Geeks for Geeks has kind of blog posts.
Yes, yes. Where people also like they are showing uh, there are people also showing like who is the owner of this, who has written that type of information also shown on that Geek for Geeks. Any other D-Zone, Medium, these are the blogging site where we are putting our technical content mostly. So there can be any other, but I visit only technical. So online online consulting and offers service based on your skills. So these are the uses, like these are the field where the blogging works. Now let's jump to create one sample blog. Okay. Yeah, like in first image as we see that we can create the blog using a blogger and WordPress. So I will prepare WordPress. Yeah. So WordPress blogging, if you hit, you will get the first site and create your own. If you click here, you have to create your account. Like if you have get start your site. Okay, I already account on this site, so that's why it's showing. mm these are the two sites which I have created. This was a long time and this was for sample. If you don't have any account on this, you can create by signing up. So once you create your account, you have to visit my site. In my site, you will able to see. If you don't have any site, you will able to have. You will get one options. Okay. If you click here, switch site, create a new site. This why we are choosing WordPress, because WordPress is it is like a, there are many people who are matlab, without any profit or uh, without any expecting, they are giving lot of to our technical world. Like there are Apache is like organization which are creating many softwares and provide releasing in open market. They are not, if you are using, you don't have to pay for those softwares. Can you guys suggest, can you guys give me some names of open source softwares for which you are not paying anything? Any software name? I will tell one. Okay, Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat you might have used in your project also, where you are not paying money to download and install that software. Likewise, any application, I will give 1 minute. Okay.
Eclipse ID.
Yes, Eclipse also up to some version they are providing a free. Uh, okay, good. Any other? Okay, so let's start creating a sample blog where in this demo what we will see, we will create one sample traveling blog. Okay, then we will try to publish that, and then we will try to visit that blog. Then we will see how, what is the stats, like how many customers visiting and what is the traffic on that site. Also we will see in this demo. So it will take time. So start quickly. If you click here, new site, you have to write the name of your site. Like if you have good name for traveling site, uh, guys, any name? Okay, we will start PICT trekking group. Okay, so this is my site name. Uh, so if you click, what it will do, like it will create the first, it will create the site with this name, and it will attach the domain name of your WordPress. Okay, so like this will be like which is a free, where you are putting the, instead of .com, .in, .in, you are simply putting WordPress.com. This is a for like you can change the domain also when you buy domains from. Can I get names from you guys, like which are the domain provider available currently? Any domain provider? the site which gives domain with some cost. Quick. Okay, GoDaddy. Okay, so GoDaddy is providing domain name, and that domain name you use for your site URL. So we don't have any domain name, so we will choose that PICT Tracking Group .wordpress.com. Okay, and we will continue. Now we will choose one design. This is a most beautiful part because we don't no need to write a lot of HTML code. You have to simply copy paste and change visually. Okay, so traveler, which one will suit for traveler? Okay. Uh, Guys, I'm a little confused. Let me know. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, so now this will look. It will show like how it is show. It will show on desktop, uh, then pad, and then mobile. Okay. Font. If you like this, this is a Fira Sans. So I feel like it is the best. So I am keeping it as it is. So we will move to next. And custom domains, like I has told, instead of showing that picttracking.wordpress.com, we can take our, you can buy any custom domains, like you can put that here. So you will, your site will start looking with that site. Okay, skip for now. And it will ask like what is how many amount like you have to pay for, and I will show one trick like you have to go back simply uh, a second uh, monthly. I'm not paying anything, so I'm selecting free, and my site is building. So it will take little time. So main like benefit of this blogging, like this WordPress, what is it? It is giving a lot of contents which is already available. The kind of template it is giving, you have to put your content in well manner and you have to publish that. So SEO comes picture when we are writing your content. Okay, that should be a like a very creative, and it should be readable, and it should be like attractive. So that's fine. If you see this image also, how they are looking like, there are, if you guys in future go into companies, or you might know now also, there is one more field, emerging field nowadays, which is a UI and UX. Okay, so you have to design like your screens and icons. There is one separate team which is a creative team, which is good in Photoshop and editing tools, and they are generating like data for you, and you have to integrate that in your website, which will make your screen elegant or intuitive, and it will help you beautify. So okay, this is like our site. We will edit this site. Okay, I think we are in edit mode only, like home, then get delivered. Okay, start exploring, we will tell. We can change the headline also. We can, this is our home. uh any like do you know, wait a second. Yeah, I'm not I'm explaining you guys this, but I'm not that much good in content writing. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm putting only technical videos. So you guys may feel like, yeah, why he's explaining like SEO and he himself is not writing. So I need help from your side also. Like start exploring like memory. we will give a memories a subtitle. Okay, this will be okay. Any like I'm creating this on this spot. So your sir told me 2 days before like we have to take session, and I was not getting that much time to create think and okay. Traveling creates memories, and life is nothing but nothing but group of memories. Our set of memories. So this will be our headline. This will be our like title. This will be our subtitle. Then instead of order, we will write instead of here. We will write explore. Okay. Now this is a simple blog where you can change the your image also, where you can एक second. So media also we can keep like we can add the एक second replace also there. Okay, we will upload one image from desktop. So let me take. Well, this is the image when I visited Lavasa first time when I come to Pune. Okay. Yeah, so we are done with our head, like our first, um, like head, where if we are keeping our headline, subtitle, and our menu, which will navigate to our other contents and our image also. Okay. Now, instead of this, like we will, oh, so like Lavasa. Lavasa, you can explain like what we can call it as hill station or let me okay. This is all you need to think and then we have to like think and you need to go brainstorming. In the session of this 2 hours I can't create all this in a good way. For that we need to take one more extra session. Okay, if you are arrange, we will have a good session on blogging also in future. So please see that's this is a simple where we are seeing how to replace the things and how to create our own things. This is just template where you can put whatever you want in a accurate manners. Also there are like if we save update and if you click on preview, it will start looking like this. Okay, so this like below content also you can change and if here you can put your all the social media links and all your timings when you are arranging the trips and what is the cost with whom we need to contact. All this information you can add and daily basis you can update this site. I will show you. Okay, so um, I'm closing this and okay, we will click on launch. Okay, now our website has been launch with a WordPress PICT tracking group WordPress. Continue if you do continue and select the free, select and launch your site. Okay, our site will be ready. Yes. So guys, you will able to see our site with this wordpress.com and एक second. Uh, you launch you launch your site. Okay, show your site setup and skip. So if you click switch to sites, here it will be listing your site like PICT tricking group and all. Okay, so you can change, you can add the page, you can write the blog, you can edit the menus. If you I click here edit menus, like you have seen that there was a home. Okay, menu, you have created a primary menu which is a like a home. You can add the items like about. Okay, so save changes, it will start looking here. Okay, home and about, you have to, if you click here about, you need to go give the pages and everything. So currently we don't have attached that page. You can add the pages also here. You, it will show that where you need to attach the, see it's showing we have now attached nothing, so we can edit and you can put the content. It will take time. You guys can explore all these things and try better than me also. So it's like a more on hands-on, like the if you are perfect in like in digit, like creating the HTMLs and the thinking in a proper way, like to create the creative content, you guys will rock in this blogging. Okay, so visit our site. Like if you visit our site, it will start visiting our PICT tracking group dot Postgres. So I will ping in our conversation chat. I think I'm not able to ping. Why? I think might be sir has disabled that option chat. Okay. See, okay. So if you guys also hit you on Google, you will able to see our site, google.com. Okay. So PICT, because why that Google was showing that result, because this site is not registered with your search engine. It is not that much optimized. Due to that, it is not showing that in Google search. Or we are putting text in like PICT tracking group dot wordpress.com. That is not searchable text. So that's why it was not listing. So this is a sample where you guys also, if you guys are on your laptop, you can search. I think it should show in your browser also. So now what we will do, like once you, that the main benefit which WordPress gives, like you will able to see the stats of your blog. Okay, how many people are visiting, how many people are hitting your website. If you have to click only stats, what is stats shows, like how many views, visitors, likes, comments, and posts and pages, referrals, all this information will be listed here. Countries, from which countries it is more hits are coming, and according to that you can write the content according to contextual, which context you are focusing, and according to that you will create your site. And in inside also it will show like per month how many hits are there, and posting activity, like this is a March, in March in which day you have posted. This is a like a point, like a post, a kind of point, how many frequently you are using, how many frequent posts you are doing in that day. So this is a like all the stats which tells about your health of your campaign, what campaigns running, and all this information you will able to. This is a self-explanatory. You guys can see all this, and according to that you can plan and you can write your content, you can observe and optimize that. So this is a learning process. Okay, that's it for the blogging. If you guys need any help, like why I'm simply creating, I'm not making it more interactive and more reasonable. The purpose of this lecture is how we create a simple blog. you can dig more and you can create many blogs. If you in future also you guys have any queries or you know more about the blogging and any site, you can ping me. You can, I will provide in the end of our lecture my LinkedIn account and Gmail also and my contact also. Okay. So guys, this is for our blogging. You can create your blog. You can share your thoughts on this blog, and the day by day you will be able to getting more hits. And with that stats, you can share with any, as I told, affiliate marketing or influencer marketing. You will show that people, yeah, I am getting this many views, this many hits to my blog. So what you can do, you can pay me for some money. I will put your content on my blog, and you will be getting it from me also. This is a social media marketing comes from blogging. Now these are the like famous blogger for your information I have given. In your free time, if you guys visit their web blog or website like shout shout me loud, labnol, naked to world, mouth shut, your story, 9 lessons, uh, phone arena, track next big word, and bellbound bloggers. These are the famous bloggers which are earning many. I'm not talking in many money's perspective. That is the secondary part. But these people are creative and the audience are listening to those people. Okay. So guys, next our thing is like Facebook ads. Okay. Facebook ads, like as I've shown in our last few slides that how many active subscribers are there, like about 2020, 2276, like it about 1000. Okay, live customers are on millions. It is in millions. Customers are on Facebook. So that is a huge number for us. Okay, when we are coming to marketing, but we are not sending our campaigns or our ad to all those people. You have to dig more and find out whom we need to send our campaigns or our ads. So let's jump to our like statistics. There are more than 2 million active advertiser on Facebook. These are the facts. Okay, just keep in mind. So you will get idea like how much people are doing advertisement on Facebook, and you will know the potential of the Facebook ads. Okay, over 7 million users visit Facebook on mobile each day. Mobile makes up to 66% of the Facebook advertising revenue, up from the 49 1 year ago. Okay, these are the like small all statistics. In the end, I will share this PPT with you guys also. So jump to our demo. Okay, so demo, I will show you guys my Facebook account, and we will start advertising from there. Okay, yeah, this is my like Facebook. We will visit to our ad center, and if you click here on create, if you visit, there will be in left side ad center will be there from where we are creating our campaigns, and through campaigns we are generating our ads. Like there is it will take too much time to go in all depth, but we will see a simple demo of how it works and how we create the ads. Like if you click on create ads, like it will ask like in which format you want to create your ad, like promote your page. If I click here, promote your page, so edit option, I have some images like next second. Choose different image. This is my like one. Okay. Okay. So this was my post like Uh, 8 seconds. Okay, so whatever it is. So this is a one post which we want to increase its like widgets, and you have to publish this. You have to one create one story, like we have to create one advertise, and we have to reach our audience. Like this is a special character ad categories. If you click, like okay, excellent. Like first we will choose our like audience. What is audience? Like what is the range of your audience is for the more. It's showing like I have created this. Okay, you can create the range of the age, and you can create the location also. In here I want to target the Pune audience only, so I will select the Pune, and uh, if you see uh, then it will show like people reach like because I am going deep and deep. Okay, so it will showing 82 to 236. Okay, it's like will be in this range. It will estimated the how much will what will be the your result if you choose Pune, India, and in India Pune. You can go deeper and deeper to make your result or audience concerns. Okay, so run this ad continuously, or you can choose that end and start date also. This will tell what will be your budget. If you increase budget, it will increase your audience size. Okay, it will change the price, people likes and people reach also. So if you click here, more and more people will start it. It can you can change the currency also. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now you are
Hello.
audible. Yeah.
Yes. Sorry. Due to net issue. Okay, so you can change your budget, and according to that, you can promote your advertise or your content. Okay, so for this, you have to choose add creative, use post. Like a creative means for which you are going to the promote your. Okay, so I have $1 million message. I think we have choose wrong. That's why it's not coming. You can like $1 million motivation. That this is my Instagram page, which uh, Instagram account, which where I'm putting all the like motivational quotes and sometimes technical also, and which I have linked that with my Facebook. So you have to give up payment methods, and you can start. Okay, if I'm not like you have to create. I have created claim location. So guys, if you click here and save, it's asking me some for money. I will not. Uh, but the I will not add my information like so you guys can in future add the information like payment information, and you will able to launch this uh, launch this campaign, and it's for sure it will give us, it will reach to those many people, and it will bring the likes up to that much. Like, it is prediction, okay, estimation, but it's not exactly that much it will meet, but you can observe on daily basis how many you are, how many customers you are getting for that campaign, and how many, what is the reach of that campaign. So that information you can track from the your uh, Facebook campaign. So I think I have some campaigns which I have. Okay, 8 seconds. I wasn't wrong. Okay. Mm, Automated ads. So then once you create a campaign, that all list will be, your campaigns will be listed here. Okay, I have not created successfully because I need to give the information of uh, sorry, uh, I need to give some credit information there, and due to that, some money will cut, and so that's why I'm not. Because I am not interested in that campaign right now. So guys, this was the like a simple demo for the how you run the your uh, Facebook ads and how to reach particular people, and then you will able to reach. This is a comes under SEM, okay, social media, sorry, SMM, okay, social media marketing. Social media marketing means where you are using social media for your marketing by paying someone, okay, and social media optimization is like, I will show you that in our Instagram account, okay. Then how like in our Facebook also, when we are reading, when you are using some you are creating pages, and on that pages you are putting some content with your some website, like if I will show you like $1 million, this is my page, which I have linked to where we see that pages. So this page I have created, okay, and which is linked to my boss empire, which is a LinkedIn page. I will show in next. So this what it will show, like the this is also a social media part, social media marketing part, okay. Why, what it is showing, this is my one post, okay, knowledge as a beginning but no end. Like, this is a shared from the our Instagram account with this hashtags, and uh, this now here what it is tell, like this is a reach to 58 people, and one is engagement, because you have some expression like which is one. You can boost your post, like click here, it will create, will ask same the detail for which you need to uh, which people you are targeting, and which information, all those information it will ask, and according to that it will reach the people. Currently it is showing like up 1.6k people will targeted for 400 money, and people here some people, it is asking like people who you can create the audience, okay, people who like your page, people who like your page and their friends Instagram. Here you can create your own also, like which you can call as a, like a Pune audience, okay, Pune audience. So in this we can send the location which I have shown you last time, okay, and detail targeting, okay, this is the most powerful features which Facebook marketing gives. Like, here you can select the person which are interesting in demographic, like is it his education, finance, life, interest. Also you can choose the traveling, entertainment, all those like food and drink, hobbies and activities, shipping. So sport and outdoors. If I select this, you can select that from which category. If you select this campaigning, boating and fishing, hunting, and if I come back, okay, I have selected this. Now, if you save this audience, okay, you might like potential reach is a okay. See, the potential reach has been decreased. It was 1.6, now it is 1.3. So that precisely we can go deep and deep and we can reach our target customer, and you can boost now post. If you click here, you have to pay your money and that post will be boost, and you can able to see all this information under your page. Here it will show that how many people has reached, how many engaged. You can see the detail information about that campaign under campaigns. Okay, so that will come under our ad center. Ad center will show all the campaigns, reach, and everything. Okay, if you create ad will be listed here and your campaign will be showing here. So now that's for the Facebook ad demo. Now we will move to our LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn ads sorry guys for the background noise. Okay. Okay. So move to our LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn, yeah, we have seen blogging, then we have seen Facebook. Now we are reached to our LinkedIn. If you look at the LinkedIn, most of the people look at it as a professional platform where people from different professional have joined and they are sharing their things which are professional and technical, like which are related professional. It's not like Facebook. We are writing something and putting on Facebook and like not like that. But when we come to LinkedIn ads is also a major part, okay, in advertising, like digital advertising. It's come when you choose the field, like where you are hiring, you are doing consultancy, and you are searching resources. That time LinkedIn ad works well. Okay, but one thing I want to tell you guys, like LinkedIn advertisement is a little costly than other advertisements. So there are some interesting facts about LinkedIn ads. Like 6 out of 10 users actively look for the industry inside on LinkedIn. 280 million, 280 million feed updates are viewed annually. Like I will show my LinkedIn profile, and there you can able to understand how you see the post and everything. Okay, LinkedIn makes up more than 50% of all social traffic to B2B websites and blogs. Yeah, this is a like a clear picture because we are creating your any websites and blogs. People choose to post if that is related to professional or any uh, technical, like you are designing one course, online course. So you will choose that post on LinkedIn instead of Facebook. You can post on Facebook also, but your intent will be more on post on LinkedIn. So it's correct. Like 50% of the social traffic to B2B websites and blogs are on LinkedIn. 92% of B2B marketers include LinkedIn in their digital marketing mix. Yes. So that I will tell you how that works and all. Okay. Now demo. I will show my LinkedIn profile, and from there you can see how we can do the LinkedIn advertising. So this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and I will show you some LinkedIn advertise. Okay. See, this is like some HR. Okay, this HR I came across. Okay, blah blah blah. There will be there, and they are sending some invitation. This comes also. Under social media marketing. Okay, they are using Facebook. They are using LinkedIn as their social media platform, and from there they are digging. They are creating campaigns. They are creating rules, and through that rules they are generating leads, and that leads will be they will be sending the message to that leads. So this comes under the social media marketing of the LinkedIn. Yeah, I will show in social media marketing. If you click here advertising, I will show some sample mails which comes through LinkedIn. एक second. Like you guys might be seeing that uh, some person is sending you like join NIT, join this course and that course, and you will be getting the 20-40% chances to get placement. All this comes under. Okay, yeah. So if you see this email, okay, this is a email. That means this person is sending you. Also, this is one more link is LinkedIn offers. This this person are taking the subscription of the your LinkedIn campaign, and due to with the help of that campaign, they are sending mails to you. If you see here, this is a come from the mail. Okay, and mail like uh, they how they are reaching to me, they are creating one campaign, and through that campaign they are finding out the person exactly what kind of person they want and what skill set should be he has, okay, she has, and according to that they will filter out the person, and those people they will target and they will send the mail. Because if the more accurate your selection, the more result you can get. This is the one example. Okay, these people are using campaigns, and through campaigns they are reaching to me. One more is like a LinkedIn. See, Nikita and LinkedIn, these are also creating the campaigns, and through campaigns they are reaching to me. Okay. Now these like sponsored also. So these are the sponsored. Okay. Let's say like some business analyst collaboration with IM Endor, and all the everything will be do. Everything will be there, and with that they will directly send message to you, and try to engage with try to engage their audience with their course and their learnings or their consultancy. These are the social media marketing which do we can do on LinkedIn. If you guys see here, there is a advertising. Okay, now before that I will show you my profile, and their profile you can see some insight of like a, yeah, this is your dashboard which will tells like how many people which viewed your profile, how many post views you have, and the search in which you have appeared. Like this is the like normal search which people do like for the hiring and any LinkedIn uh, connection you want, like any company which you want search for that they are doing. I have some post also which post and activity. If you click here, these are the posts which I have posted. Like I have, as I told, I have some yeah, I have YouTube channel, and that YouTube channel I'm putting my technical content, and which I am sharing on Facebook. Sorry, LinkedIn, not a Facebook. So because all the professional things and all the technical things, we choose to prefer LinkedIn, because this is the set of the people who comes from the professional or technical background. So if you see here, like this is my one video where I was creating the ERP billing software from scratch with some tech, Angular and the Spring Boot technology. This post, what it tells, like this post is reached to 1094 customers. Okay, and out of this 22 has given likes. This clearly shows that like how many reach you have did, and from that how much likes you have earned. According to that, this mostly depends on your sorry, on your hashtags and on your content. So people will try to, sometimes you have seen that on LinkedIn, on Instagram also there are hashtags, and you can follow that hashtag. All the content, all the post comes under that hashtag will be feeded to you. Okay, so this is a social media marketing of LinkedIn. Now how the people are creating the mark campaigns and reaching to their customers, we will see that in detail. Okay, here you have one options like advertising. If you click advertisement, you will navigate to one page. Okay, so here you can create the like they have mentioned many good things about LinkedIn marketing, and boost your content across devices, then engage your, yeah. See guys, I have seen these types of content like sponsored. Okay, these are also we can create using create ad. Like here, if I think I don't know you guys are visible this small text, but it is showing sponsored and sponsored. We are getting mail. These also we can get. Also inside you have seen that like on me. If you go here, uh, next second, if you click here. All these, okay, yeah, see this explore as a diebold, these ads, it is a this is ad, okay, which this can be we can show using the LinkedIn advertisement. Okay, so okay, so now let's start the this is a part which comes under that side advertisement. This is a sponsored advertisement. This is a post advertisement. You can search and you can read that steps is there. So we will start creating ad. Okay. If you have account, then no need to create account. So I have created one sample account. Okay. Now we are running out of time, so I will quickly. So if you click here, you can create account also. I have already account. If you select here, you can. I have created this campaign. Okay, you can edit this campaign. This is a campaign which is active but not running because I have not paid. This is the sorry guys. Okay, so it's asking like credit card is not updated and billing center. I don't want to update. Okay, you guys can do the hands-on by doing like 100 rupees. So like this is the campaign. Okay, this is a campaign screen which will tell that what are the campaigns, is it running or not, how many spent you have did, and impression, clicks on that link, and average CTR. What is mean by CTR? Clicks divided by impression. Okay, then bids, and like this bids comes like when, as I told in Google add-ons, like you are paying money, but it will be on Google's bid, like on which number you want. They will show your site and blog. So this is a bid. Then average CPM. CPM means like total spend on your ads divided by 1,000 impression, average CPC conversation, and cost per conversation. So I will click. If you click here, create campaigns. You can create a new campaigns. You can create, select the campaign group. I have selected my default. You can create new also. Like there are business units. Business unit means like a person who want hiring for full stack, for backend, for your UI. For that, you can create the new group according to your field, and within that you can create the campaigns, and to that campaign you can send the uh, campaigns. So to under that group you can create the campaigns and you can visualize your result. Okay, so there are three types of campaigns. You can create awareness, consideration, conversation. I will take the website. Okay, so you can same situation where like you can create the location, explore location. It is India. It will tell how many audience are there, what is the 30 days spent, and the 30-day impression. What will be the CTR? Will be 0.% to 8%. 30 days click. Now this is a main component where you are choosing your audience. Like audience, like you can choose audience attribute like company, demographic, education. If you choose, you can choose degree like take. Okay, bachelor of technology. I want all the person. So you have seen that this count has been decreased. Okay, and this paint also decreased, then click also decreased, Like that, we can create like a more and more order. Like if you click narrow, you can uh, dig more also. Okay, so here I have selected the degree. Now you want to look like start creating look like audience. Okay, uh, a second. If you click narrow, I will select one more. You can directly upload the list also. Okay, job experience. Okay, job experience like job titles, members, skills you can define. Then you can define the program management. Like so, program management. If I hit program audience has decreased very less. Okay, only 1 lakh is showing. Now like this, you can choose the your audience. Now this will show you ad or ad format. You can design ad according to you, whatever you like, and you can select the budget also, daily budget, how much you want to spend. If you increase, audience will get increase. Okay, you have seen this audience has increased, clicks has been increased. Like this, you can bid. If you want to bidding, you can bid or not. Like a login also, you can conversation, select conversation, login. Like there, you have to target the, you have to target like a login. How many people are logging? You can check that also, and according to that, save and exit. If you do this, you will be able to see your ad. I'm not because I'm not launching because for here I need to do the payment and I'm not interested in spending my money on this ad. Okay, so you guys will be having these types of like website visit and lead generation, and you can able to track how many. What is this is a paid program like which comes under marketing optimization. You guys keep in one mind that like optimization means organic growth where you are doing the efforts and it's giving the result. Marketing means like where you are using social media tools and with that tools you are reaching to your audience and getting the lead. So that's it for our social media like media marketing of the our um, LinkedIn. Guys, we are running out of time, so I've been taking in short like Instagram marketing. There are two types of account. This is my personal account, okay, Instagram account, and as I told, Boss was Empire. This is my Instagram account, like which is a business account. So if you see here, only edit option is there. It is in business. It is showing promotion, insight, and all. Okay. So this is the benefits which we go get in business accounts where we create a promotion. For promotion, you need to pay the money, and according to that, it will increase your followers and your inside also looks good. And I will show how if you click promote it will show like this is my one post. Okay, so if you click on promote it will show the promotion and you can manage, you can choose post and manage same content, which types of people you are targeting, which region you are targeting, which interest you are targeting. That information you need to give and then it will go deeper. Okay, if you click here there is a view insight. Insight will also show you how many likes are there, how many comments and how many reach are there, profile visit after that post. These are the information which you can take from your business account. And yeah, that's it, guys. I think it was a pretty long session for you guys. I think you guys might be bored and so if that was the social media marketing where we have seen the what is social media marketing, digital marketing, what the what the use of that and why it comes. And as you know that all the people are coming on social media marketing, all people are creating their business through social media marketing instead of like some people are putting clothes on social media marketing instead of having their physical existence of that their shop. So day by day that this field will start grow and there will be more opportunities in the search engine optimization engineer. So if you guys are creative, you know that better knowledge about these types of social platforms where you can create the campaigns, you can hit the audience. The more result you get, the more money you get, and it is interesting things. Okay, so sorry. So guys, I hope that you get more information. I have tried my best to give a lot of information for the social media marketing and digital marketing through this slides and small demos also. If you in future, if you want to know more about, I'm always uh, online on this communication media, so you can connect with me. So you have doubts, you can ask me.
Yes, students, if you have any doubts or query, so you can ask right now.